Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Have you ever felt like some people just learn things faster than others? It's not magic, it is something called transfer of learning. And here's the good news, you can learn it to learn faster too. So, let me show you how. Let me tell you about my experience first. I learned English fast, not because I'm a genius. Back in the university, we had to study some books in English. Another example, I learned programming really fast, just in a few months. Again, it's not because I'm a genius. But here's the thing, I knew 10 fingers typing, I knew English, I was good with computers, and I had 6 months of experience working in a web hosting company, working with hosts and servers and stuff. But after quitting my job as a web hosting technical support engineer, I decided to become a programmer. All of those past experiences, they had helped me to become a programmer faster than others. Again, this doesn't mean that I'm a genius or something. It was just transferring of knowledge. So I transferred the knowledge of 10 finger typing to programming. So when I'm coding in an editor, I don't have to be worried about typing. I only think about the algorithm, the code. That's it. And also, thanks to ChatGPT nowadays, that we don't have to think about the algorithm either. We just copy and paste. So you see the pattern here, guys? I was not starting from zero. Let me give you another example, which is not necessarily about learning, it's about my physique. You know, I've been going to gym for only a few months, for 3 or 4 months. And here's the result. So, you're probably surprised. Just in a few months, how is this possible, right? No. Again, I had some transferring of something. So here is not knowledge, obviously. Transferring of fitness, transferring of physique, something like that. So I was doing calisthenics for about a year before this. And I was doing some martial arts, parkour, and some other stuff, each for a few months back in the day when I was younger. So this is not the result of only 4 months of bodybuilding. It's a result of a few years of kickboxing, kung fu, parkour, 1 year of calisthenics, etc., and 4 months of gym. But if you ask me, hey Maz, how long have you been going to gym? I'm not gonna say, when I was like 20, I was doing kung fu. When I was 24, I was doing kickboxing. That's boring, right? I have done a lot of sports, like probably 5, 6, 7, something like that. So I'm not gonna explain all of them. I have to say 4 months. And then people usually are not curious enough to ask, what do you mean 4 months? You already have a good physique, good body. How could you do that? Then I would probably explain that, yes, it's not just bodybuilding. I've been doing other sports before. So it's the same for English. When I had learned English only for a year, my English was good. It was better than others who were learning only for a year. So again, that time, if you had asked me that, hey Maz, how long have you been learning English? I would probably say, oh, a year, a few months, something like that. And again, they would probably be surprised. And then they start criticizing themselves that, hey, why is Maz like having a fast growth in everything? Huh? For programming a skill. Back in the day, if you had asked me, hey Maz, how could you learn programming only in a few months? So the thing is, we are not doing something necessarily in that amount of time. So we are transferring our prior knowledge. That's how we learn things faster. Not because we are smart or genius or whatever. It's because we have some prior knowledge. It's because we know what to do. So anyway, this is what psychologists call transfer of learning. It's when the knowledge, skill, or experiences you have gained in one area help you succeed in a new one. For example, knowing how to type quickly helps you focus on logic when learning programming. Playing strategy games can make you better at problem solving in real life. Speaking English makes it easier to understand technical terms when learning something like programming. So here's why this matters. Everything you have learned in your life, no matter how small, can be the stepping stone to something bigger. That hobby you have, that random skill you picked up, or another random experience you had in a summer. They all could become your secret weapon for learning faster. Remember, nothing you have ever learned is wasted. Everything connects, and you are already more prepared than you think. So, how can you use transfer of learning to learn things faster? Here are 3 simple steps. Reflect on what you already know. Think about past experiences, skills, and hobbies. What overlaps with what you are trying to learn? Number 2, build bridges. If you are learning something new, look for ways to relate it to something you already know. For example, if you are learning a new language and you already know English, look for the words that are similar. And the third one, be intentional. Every new skill you build today can help you in unexpected ways tomorrow. So don't hold back from trying new things. And here's the big takeaway. You are not starting from scratch. You already have tools, skills, and experiences that make you unique. The key is to recognize and use them to your advantage. So next time you think, oh, I can't learn this, remember this. You have been learning all your life and you have got everything you need to learn faster. Go out there and crush it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share your experience about transfer of learning in the comments. Have a good day.